Hi everyone, this is David Marsh with EminiTradingStrategies.com. Today is December 28th, 2010. Hope everybody had a great Christmas and I wish you all a happy new year coming up. On a very slow week, I'm actually not trading this week with the volume being very low. I'm telling my students probably not a really good week to trade. Although really I've been wrong. We've been getting some really good trades. I'm just not trading again because the volatility is really low. The volume's really low, waiting for the new year, and we'll start in again full swing. But I wanted to do a video because I haven't done one since last week, so I want to show you at least what the system has been doing, even though I've not been trading. So here's a chart of Monday. Yesterday, we had a one and done EET trade. It was actually the best trade out there. It was a very slow day if you didn't take this trade. In fact, in our trading room, we were doing more just questions and answers, going over the system. You know, the basics really, making sure our students have it down while we're still looking at trades. We just didn't want to take any, but we did have a nice one and done on an EET trade right there. Been good for a nice profit. There was a losing EET there, then there was a great EET up there. But let me pause really quick and move on to today. Okay, here we are today. We have a normal system entry that happened just at the opening bell, so we did not take it. It would have been a winning trade, and then we had a nice pullback trade for a nice one and done. Now, a couple things I want to talk about. I've got my long-term chart right here, and I talk a lot about how a normal trade can turn into a high probability trade or more of a profitable trade when the long-term filter goes in your direction. I mean, here it is getting ready to break the low. Pullback trade was valid. The long term was not yet short. It made its 4 tick one and done. You'd have jumped out right there. Okay, but I wanted to point this out because normally you can use this to stay in a trade longer, and you could have definitely grabbed another point off this trade. But here's the kicker: we had a 10 o'clock report. So we do not trade reports. It's easy to look at a chart and say, yeah, I got short here, stayed in here, or I jumped in again on this pullback trade, stayed in here, long term went short, great system. But that's not the reality. The reality is we had a pullback trade, it was good for 4 ticks, and we'd have stopped right there because of the report. Okay, so, but I did want to point that out because I do get a lot of questions about the long-term filter, how it's used, and this is really how it's used. When the long-term filter goes short, during these 3 colored bars, we simply do not take any long trades. It's just that simple. We would only take a short trade. If we're already in a trade and the long-term filter goes in our favor in the direction we're already in, that gives us the opportunity to stay in the trade for more profit. That's really what it's all about. So, in any event, still really good trades. It's about 10:15 as I'm doing this video. So we did have a one and done yesterday, one and done today. I am not trading again because of the low volume, but still the system's rocking and rolling. So hope you guys again have a great holiday. We're going to trade tomorrow, and that's probably going to be it for the rest of the year, and then we'll come back next year and start up all over again. So if you have any questions, feel free to get in touch, and we will be making an announcement. I've been blogging about it for the last couple months, but we'll be making an announcement within the next week or two, so you want to be on the lookout for that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.